Greetings, road warriors. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in Williamston, South Carolina, where extraordinary journeys begin with unmatched style. We're absolutely thrilled to present a 2015 Newmar Ventana 4037 with just 44,000 miles, priced at an incredible $169,900. This 40-foot Class A diesel pusher, crafted on a robust Freightliner XCR TAG AXLE chassis, boasts the luxurious 4,037 floor plan with 3 enormous slide-outs and 1.5 baths, sleeping up to 4 in refined comfort. Draped in Newmar's stunning Chianti full-body paint package with a glossy gold base and pewter, white, and maroon striping, this RV glows with sophistication, powered by a mighty Cummins diesel engine. Buckle up for an immersive tour to explore every upscale feature of this exceptional value. Let's start with the exterior, where the 2015 Newmar Ventana 4037 captivates with timeless elegance. The Chianti graphics package, with its glossy gold base and striking pewter, white, and maroon striping, ensures this coach stands out at every campground or scenic overlook. Spanning 40 feet, it's built on a heavy-duty Freightliner XCR TAG AXLE chassis with full air ride suspension and air brakes, delivering a smooth, confident ride across any terrain. Powered by a Cummins ISL diesel engine, it generates 400 horsepower and an impressive 1,250 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for effortless performance. Brand new tires all around and polished aluminum wheels add durability and flair, while the Newmar Comfort Steer system ensures precise, comfortable handling. With only 44,000 miles, this RV is ready for countless. The Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator delivers robust power for off-grid escapes, whether you're boondocking in the wilderness or camping at a remote site. A 50-amp service with an extension cord on a power reel, paired with a Magnum inverter charger and battery disconnects, ensures efficient energy management. The Oasis hydronic heating system provides consistent hot water and furnace heat, while two 15,000 BTU roof-mounted AC units keep you cool in any climate. Ceramic tile flooring throughout and a Dirt Devil central vacuum system add a touch of luxury and convenience, making this RV a standout value at $169,900. Step inside, and the 4037 floor plan unfolds as a spacious, elegant sanctuary. 3 enormous slide-outs create an airy interior that sleeps up to 4, perfect for couples or small groups seeking upscale comfort. The layout features a queen-size bed in the rear master bedroom and a 74-inch pull-out sleeper sofa in the front living room. The front living area is a restful sanctuary with a 74-inch sleeper sofa, 2 large recliners, a 50-inch Sony TV on a TV lift, and a 32-inch Sony TV above the front seats, ideal for cozy movie nights or entertaining guests. A table dinette with 2 chairs offers a versatile dining space, with a warm, inviting ambiance enhanced by ceramic tile flooring and high-gloss cabinetry. The full kitchen is a culinary delight, crafted for seamless meal preparation. It boasts a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, a microwave convection oven, a residential sink with faucet, an extendable countertop, and pantry storage for all your cooking needs. The table dinette nearby ensures comfortable dining for intimate meals or planning your next adventure. The 1.5 bath setup is a standout, with a private half bathroom featuring a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan, and a full-width rear master bathroom with a huge shower enclosure, glass doors, skylight, large sink and vanity, toilet, and power vent fan. A stackable washer and dryer adds convenience for extended trips or full-time living. The rear master bedroom is a serene retreat designed for restful nights. The queen-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV and wardrobe closets, offers comfort and ample storage for your belongings. The slide-out creates a spacious, open feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments that add warmth and charm. The queen bed and sleeper sofa provide comfortable sleeping for up to 4, ideal for intimate getaways or small group adventures. Let's dive deeper into what makes this RV a remarkable value. The 4037 floor plan, with 3 slide-outs and 1.5 baths, offers a luxurious interior for 4. The Cummins ISL engine and Freightliner XCR chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, enhanced by the Newmar Comfort Steer system for effortless handling. Premium features like the Oasis hydronic heating, ceramic tile flooring, and Chianti paint package add elegance, while the washer/dryer and central vacuum system boost practicality. At just $169,900, this 2015 Newmar Ventana 4037 with 44,000 miles is a phenomenal deal for a high-end diesel pusher. Picture yourself cruising in this 2015 Newmar Ventana 4037, exploring scenic mountain passes, coastal highways, or tranquil campgrounds with your loved ones. Let's explore why this Ventana is a standout choice. Newmar's renowned craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, ceramic tile floors, and thoughtful features like the power TV lift and hydraulic leveling jacks. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and air brakes inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design, enhanced by comfort steer, makes driving a pleasure. From the spacious bathrooms to the stackable washer-dryer, this RV is built for luxury and convenience. Let's take a moment to revisit the exterior's brilliance. The Chianti paint package, with its glossy gold base and vibrant striping, not only enhances curb appeal, but also protects the RV's exterior for years of travel. The full pass-through storage and slide-out trays make organization effortless, while the exterior entertainment center adds fun to any campsite. The power awnings and polished aluminum wheels elevate both style and functionality, making this RV a head-turner. Back inside, let's linger on the living area's charm. The front living room, with its 74-inch sleeper sofa and large recliners, is perfect for unwinding after a long day or hosting friends for a cozy evening. The dual TVs, including the 50-inch Sony on a TV lift, offer versatile entertainment options, while the ceramic tile flooring adds a touch of elegance that's easy to maintain. The dinette's compact design ensures practicality without sacrificing comfort, making every meal a delight. Why choose this Ventana? Its blend of luxury and value is unmatched, with features like the Oasis hydronic heating and central vacuum system that make life on the road effortless. The 4037 floor plan offers ample space for four, while the Cummins engine ensures reliable power for any journey.